Hey everyone, check out this amazing set of 2 round coffee tables in natural walnut. You get a larger table and a smaller table for ultimate versatility in your living room. Use them together for a stylish layered look or place them separately next to your sofa and bed. Crafted with strong MDF panels and sturdy steel frames, each chic table supports up to 55 pounds. The minimalist modern design adds instant charm to any room without taking up too much space. Plus, setup is a breeze thanks to clear instructions and labeled parts. Upgrade your home decor today with this perfect modern table set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.